I'm here today with an Ulta haul. I literally just got home from Ulta and I bought so much good stuff. I wanted to share it with you because there's a nice array of items. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I love to shop. I love to buy makeup and clothes. I do a lot of fashion try-on hauls here. I'm going to start doing more testing new products, and I love shopping, so I always have a great haul for you. So if you're new, welcome. Please subscribe before you leave, and let's get right into the Ulta haul. I took everything out of the bag so you don't have to hear the rustling of the bag. I bought a ton of self-tanner stuff, but let's first just go through what I got from my husband because there's only a few things. Let's first start off with the few things I picked up. For Ted is this American Crew fiber. This is like his favorite hairstyling stuff, so I picked up 2 of those. I think they're like $18.50. It's his favorite, so it smells really good. Oh, it smells really good. And it's just like a hair pomade stuff. So I got him that. And then about 5 years ago, I got him super hooked on these Jack Black lip balms. So I picked up the lemon and shea butter, which is one of my favorites, and then the shea butter, and then he likes the grapefruit one, but grapefruit to me smells like BO so often, but he likes it, so I'll deal with the stinkiness of it. But pick these up. These are great. He always has one with him. And then I got him some more Mario Badescu drying lotion. Every once in a while, if I get a breakout, I'll use this too, but we were out of it, so I picked him up another one of those. I saw on TikTok a lot of people were raving about this Saint-Tropez tanner. This is the one with Ashley Graham. I'm not a fan of most Saint-Tropez tanners except for the marshmallow one. I really like that one. But this got such good reviews and they said it smelled really good. So I got this one. I like the packaging that it comes in this like cool little tube thing. So here is the tanner self-tan Luxe whipped cream mousse. I heard it smells really good too, but I don't know what it's supposed to smell like. So I'll keep you posted. And then it does come with a mitt as well. So I thought I'd try that. You guys know I love my beloved Liquid Gold by Bondi Sands tanning oil. But, you know, I just can't help myself. Curiosity kills the cat frequently. And then I never like anything quite as much as that one. So we're going to give that a try. Another one of these St. More's Radiant Face Glow. I showed this in another haul not too long ago. I'm like down to here on it. I use it all the time. I really love it. It's great for giving like a glowy tan to your face and chest. And I exfoliate so often I have to apply it like every other night, but I really like that. So I picked up a backup. I also saw this and I love the glass bottle it's in. It's the Tan Luxe Super Glow Body Hyaluronic Self Tanning Serum. So I hope this is cool. I haven't heard anyone ever talk about it. It says no streaks, no smell, no drama. It has ultra hydrating self-tan treatment formulated for daily use with just the right amount of DHA to leave the skin glowing and infused with a unique blend of hyaluronic acid and super fruits. So, I mean, the packaging's beautiful. It sounds fancy. I'm excited to try it. The next thing, I picked these up because my friend Sam talks about them all the time. She uses, I think, this one, the Gradual Illuminating Self-Tan by Tan Luxe. She uses this like every other day, but they also just came out with a new one in Radiance. So I think this one's gonna be more luminous and this one's more glowy. I don't know. We're excited to try these. She hadn't tried this one before. This is the one she always uses. They smell amazing. And so I'm very, very excited to give these ones a try. Also got the Saint-Tropez Gradual Tan Tinted Moisturizer and Primer, Instant Healthy Glow. It says it is a everyday tinted moisturizer and primer that gives you an instant touch of sheer bronze while subtly building and lasting a natural looking glow. So I thought that was kind of cool. Let's give it a good shaky. Oh, okay. Please don't. This is not what I signed up for. I did not ask you to explode. Just don't try to swatch it because it just explodes. But I was going to put it on my hand and kind of see how bronze. It does smell like self-tanner. It has a very strong self-tanner smell. So keep that in mind. I don't know that I would necessarily put this on first thing in the morning. I probably, what do I do with this mess? I probably would put this on at night. Because I would not want my face to smell like that under my makeup. It is pretty dark. Dang it, look at all that. That is unfortunate and very messy. All right, next is this Josie Maran Argan Daily Moisturizer SPF 47 Protect and Perfect. It has a warm tinted glow, SPF 47. I think I already said that. So let's see. I've heard good things about this one, so I'm very interested in trying this one out. Give her a good shake. I've been like really into trying different sunscreens lately, and I like ones that give a little bit of a glow. I'm currently using a Dermalogica one. Okay, so this was more the color I was thinking it was gonna come out on the skin. This one does not smell like tinted or like self tanner really. See, that is more kind of what I was going for. So it's not this one's not a gradual tanner. That one is just has a little bit of a tint to it, and it's an SPF. I also picked up this SPF. I'm trying to remember what the big Tulip product is that everybody loves, and I could not find it. I don't know if it's a tinted moisturizer or what, but this is their Tulip Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen SPF 30, and it's supposed to have like probiotics and stuff in it. So, and it's supposed to be nice and glowy. It doesn't really smell like anything. Yeah, it doesn't really smell like anything, but it does kind of leave a nice little glow to the skin. So I'm excited to give that a go. Then I picked up 3 lip liners. These are all $2.99. I think it's buy 2 get 1 free. And they're the LA Girl ones. The first color is in Flesh, which I just like hate that name. Flesh. A nice nude. This one is Cafe. Right here. A little bit more browner. And then this one is Sugar and Spice, which I already have and I love. Sugar and Spice. So I really like these pencils. I feel like they're super long wearing. And then the last are this e.l.f. and Jen Atkins collection, which I've been really wanting to try. So the first is this face palette. This one is in Let's Elfing Do This. Are they both called that? Or yeah, this one is the dark palette. Medium deep. So you have bronzer, blush, and highlight, and then 4 colors. I just really liked these colors here, so they're super creamy. Ooh, that is nice. Look at that. The pigmentation on that is nice, and I like just, it's kind of like a one and done eyeshadow palette. You can use this as a crease shade as well if it's too deep for your skin tone. You could use these. Oh, those are pretty. Yeah, I'm a fan. That'd obviously be too dark of a highlight for me, but it'd be a gorgeous, like shimmery color on the lid. So that one is the medium deep. And then I also got the light one too, the light medium. You can see the difference. This one is the deep one, and then this one is the light medium. So let's give these a quick little swatch. Yeah, I'm a fan. I think those are really pretty. So I will, keep you guys updated. Maybe I'll do a testing new products or something on those. My skin's looking really oily, which is weird because when I'm looking in the mirror, it's like 100% not oily. Then I picked up this Zero Effort liner. This is in the color brown. And I like all the packaging too. It's like all very chic-y packaging. I can't get it open now. So this one is brown. It's a one you have to, manually sharpen. That is a very chocolatey brown. And then they have this set here that had this, it's either you can use it for your brows, to set your brows, or flyaways. And you guys can see I always have a million flyaways. So, and then it came with the black liner, which I wanted to get all of these, so it's nice to have like a little set. So here's the black. Very creamy. And then you get this little liner brush, so you can kind of smudge these out a little bit. And then this is the hair and brow set. Oh, that's a cool, very different little thing. Let's see if we can set some of these flyaways here. Ooh, nice. Out of the 3 lips, oh yeah, okay, the liner is on the bottom. Cool, because I was like, I swear there was liners, but they're attached to the bottom here. So the first one I got is, the name is not on here. That's, oh yes it is. Self-Made Pink. There was a red one too, but I don't wear red, so I wasn't interested in the red. So you have a liner on one side, and then you have the lipstick on the other. Self-Made Pink, that's pretty. And then the brown one is called Bring It On Brown. I think Bring It On Brown is definitely my favorite. So anyways, some fun little new things from Ulta. If you've tried any of these things, let me know your thoughts. If you've tried this, please let me know if you like it, because my first impression just now is I don't like it. I feel like it's just gonna make my skin look really muddy because it's just too dark for my fair skin tone. If you have a deeper skin tone, maybe it'd be really pretty on you. But for someone as fair as me, I just feel like the tone is not quite right to wear like under makeup. So it's far more tinted than I expected it to be. And there was only one shade. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have all these products linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.